Okay, welcome. We'll be starting together the Sync's Minds Day of the Dead Turkey, version 1. Nice sheet to go into. I kind of hit the wrong button. I started with the resistors. Per on. This can be used as a mini badge or worn. Little clip. The resistors are pretty straightforward. Easy go on. Now onto the 3-port switch. It shouldn't be too bad to assemble. Big parts for a distinct mind, compared to what our normal projects are. This one, pretty much anyone can solder. It's very intrinsic detail. It's kind of nice. The light's pretty get a little bit better light in here. Okay. That should do. To switch it between the 2 power sources there. And then it has a few blue LEDs. She gave options on these. Her diagram does show orientation, which is nice. So let's start with the top here. Try to get zoomed in. So the box is down there. So it should be pointing into the box. So when flipped, it should be like that. So green goes into that box. Due to this nature, I will actually try to install it so it has a maximum light to go through, hopefully. Okay. Do be careful. If you are trying to get into it, larger globs of solder take longer to cool down. Okay, that should work. Now let's go down here. That looks like that's a box. Box. That's a box. And this is the box. So kind of all over the place here. So these ones are going to be a little bit tougher. To install. Okay. That. And like that. Last one. Like that. Not the best way to put these on, but is a good way for it to really shine. Okay. Let's zoom out a bit. And put in our mini badge slots. This one's really big. Okay. Since it'll take a little bit. Okay. Do another, 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 another. Okay. Should be on. Let's turn on the board. move the switch the other way, and there we go. A nice huge mini badge. Or if you want to hold it, you can hot glue the pin and solder the pin cap on. I think I'll leave it as a giant mini badge for right now. Looks really cool. Kind of a fun design from Distinct Mind.